This is tutorial number 190, and it covers exporting STL files within SOLIDWORKS. To start off, open up tutorial part number 90_wheel, which is included on the DVD. This is the same tutorial part that we've been using in the past few tutorials. Now what we're going to do in this tutorial is export it as an STL file. Now an STL file is a file format that you would use when you're sending your file or your product to be created as a prototype. So an STL file is a file format that they would use to create a layered version of your part file. So you probably get it back as either plastic or some kind of polymer that they would use. Now in this case, we're not able to make a complete assembly. So when we click on the assembly, it's going to make an STL file for each one of these parts. So let's do that. So let's click the wheel here, click File, Save As, and let's choose STL. Click Save, click Yes, and now we've created our STL files. So let's open them up in SOLIDWORKS. So let's click File, Open, and change the file type to STL. And now let's open the 85, click Open, and we have an STL file of that part. And let's open the other ones too, just to make sure they're all right. Click Open, STL, let's do 83, and we'll do the same for the last one. And you can see that in these file formats, they look good, and this is what they would get if we sent it to a prototyping shop or to send it to a machine that would use an STL file to create your part. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use and export STL files within SOLIDWORKS.